Alright, well, this is my airsoft rifle. It's an M4a3 style rifle. And this is what it looks like, guys. As you can see, there's a bayonet attachment right here. You can put a bayonet on it. That's a center point scope. Bought exclusively from Walmart. But that's the scope. It's not too bad. It has a mil-dot reticle right here. Everything's metal. This is plastic. This is the only thing plastic. It's like a synthetic material. But this is all metal. This is all metal. This really works right here. Stuff like that. See? Scope. Scope's a nice one. It's real nice. It goes up to, parallax goes up to infinity, from 5 to infinity. Magazine well. This stuff's also synthetic. But all the barrel's metal, including the flash suppressor, ejection port cover, all this. That's my airsoft gun. And right here, selector switch, safe, semi. This is my airsoft gun. And look, here's my scope. This is my scope, looking through it the best we can. Can't really tell, but that's a mil-dot reticle. This is the property I practice on. Alright, now I'm going to show you me shooting my airsoft. Enjoy.